I'm at the property at 382 Ella. This is a 1-bedroom, and when you first walk in, to the right is the bathroom, and this has got a shower, nice big window with the sink, and nice and airy. And then on into the kitchen, and it has quite a few cabinets and stove with a stainless sink and upper cabinets and a window with a brand new refrigerator and new carpets. This has just been freshly painted, and it's got windows looking out towards the street and a built-in shelves. And this has baseboard heating, and then it has a light salt and pepper carpet in the bedroom with the window. This bedroom is probably a 6x8, and it has built-in dresser drawers and closet with a shelf. Very cute. The living room is probably a 10x12 and small eating area. If you're interested in this property or any of our other properties, you can visit our website at Pioneer Properties, pioneerpm.com, or you can give our office a call. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for contacting Pioneer PM. Thank you.